Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Checklist in FX Replay. To begin, open FX Replay and go to the Getting Started page. This is your entry point into the platform, and from here you can access the tools needed to organize and manage your trading workflow more effectively. Once you're on the platform, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Strategies. This section is where FX Replay groups together tools related to planning, reviewing, and structuring your approach. If you're new to the layout, take a moment to notice how the navigation is organized, since it can make future setup much faster. After entering the Strategies area, click on Checklists. This will take you to the Checklist Management section, where you can create and maintain custom checklists for your process. Checklists are especially useful for keeping your rules consistent and making sure important criteria are not missed during analysis or execution. Next, click on Create New Checklist. This opens the form where you'll build a new checklist from scratch. If you plan to create several checklists later, it can be helpful to give each one a clear purpose so they're easy to identify at a glance. In the name field, enter a sample name for your checklist. Choose something simple and descriptive so you can quickly recognize what the checklist is meant for. A clear title can save time later, especially if you build multiple checklists for different strategies or review routines. Then, enter a sample checklist item. This is where you begin adding the individual points you want to track. Each item should represent a specific condition, reminder, or task you want to confirm. Keeping checklist items short and clear will make them easier to use during live review or practice sessions. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to continue building out the checklist. Depending on what appears in your workspace, this may include adding more items, confirming details, or reviewing the structure before saving. As you go, make sure each entry reflects the process you actually want to follow. The more practical and precise the checklist is, the more useful it will be when you return to it later. Once everything is complete and you're satisfied with the setup, click on Create. This finalizes the checklist and saves it to your FX Replay account so you can use it whenever needed. That's it. You've successfully created a checklist in FX Replay. With a well-organized checklist in place, it becomes much easier to stay disciplined, follow your process, and review your work consistently.